Is it possible for you to make $1 million in 6 weeks by raising boiler birds? Yes, it is very much possible to make $1 million raising boilers, but first you have to put certain things in place to make that amount of money. In this video, I will tell you how much chicken you need to raise to gross 1 million Jamaican dollars in revenue in just 6 weeks, and also look at how much chicken you need to raise to make a little over 1 million Jamaican dollars in profit, so stay tuned. Chicken meat is a major source of protein in Jamaicans' diet. In fact, it is the country's most consumed protein. Believe it or not, we consume 220 million pounds of chicken meat annually, valuing approximately 77 billion Jamaican dollars. Now, to gross $1 million raising boilers in 6 weeks, the most important thing is to have your market to sell to. On such a scale, you will need to try and get supply contracts with restaurants or hotels or any business or institution that sells or uses a lot of chicken meat. Once you have secured a market or supply contracts, you have to ensure that you have the right size chicken coop to raise a large batch of chicken. Ensure you have all the necessary equipment and resources such as water bottles, feeders, lighting, etc. Also ensure you have adequate storage for your chicken meat. As for labor, you will need to employ at least 1 or 2 persons, plus additional persons when it is time to process the chickens. In order to gross 1 million Jamaican dollars in revenue, you will need to raise 834 chickens. If each of those chickens weighs at least 4 pounds, that will give us 3,336 pounds of chicken meat. If we sell at wholesale price about $300 per pound, you will get $1,800,000. Now that's gross revenue, so how much profit have we made? Let's figure that out. One baby chick costs $165, so for 834 baby chicks, that's going to cost $137,610. For feed, you're looking at 4,170 kilograms or 9,193.3 pounds of pelleted feed for 6 weeks, a total of 166.8 bags of feed. At about $2,900 per bag, that's $483,720. Next is cost of labor. If you're employing about 2 persons, you're looking at about $96,000 for 6 weeks. For your electrical and transport bill, we'll estimate that to be $70,000. Now let's look at your total expenses. Cost of 834 baby chicks is $137,610. Cost of feed is $483,720. Labor cost is $96,000. Electrical, transport and other costs is $70,000. So that's a total of $787,330 Jamaican dollars. So our profit is $213,470. Now, as you can see, the major expense in raising poultry is feed. So in order to make more profit, you'll need to cut down your cost of feed. And how to do that is to get your feed directly from the feed manufacturer. Now, let's look at how much boilers you need to raise to earn in the region of 1 million Jamaican dollars in profit. To earn that amount, you're looking at raising approximately 4,170 birds. If each bird weighs 4 pounds, you're looking at 16,680 pounds of chicken meat. At $300 per pound wholesale price, that's $5,004,000 in gross revenue. As for your expenses, 4,170 baby chicks at $165 each will cost $688,050. For your feed, you're looking at 20,850 kilograms or 44,092.5 pounds of boiler ration. So that's a total of 834 bags of feed at $2,900 per bag. So that will cost $2,418,600. For labor costs, let's say we employ about 5 persons. Labor will cost $240,000, and electrical bill, transport and other costs, we'll estimate that to be $350,000. Now let's look at our total expenses. Cost of baby chicks $688,050. Cost of feed $2,418,600. Cost of labor $240,000. Electrical bill, transport and other costs $350,000. So total expenses for 6 weeks is $3,696,650. Now our profit is our total revenue minus total expense, which comes out to be $1,307,350 in profit. Now, what do you guys think about raising that amount of boiler birds? Would you be able to market and sell all 3,000 to 17,000 pounds of chicken meat? Do you think it is a profitable business to venture in? Are the margins okay or are they too low? Leave your comments below. Now, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video valuable. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you soon.